In gaming, I like to do coding and stuff and learning how to make new games and stuff.
Most of the time, we'll host tournaments. We'll play like games on other computers, and we also like do like a little bit of practice with streaming, like learning how to stream out here. You know, they just start off with the other computer over there we have for Stream Labs. So we'll be getting into that more once we end up getting our tournament started.
We just got through a tournament, but now we just playing Street Fighter. They going against each other, look like they got like something going on.
So usually we be playing Street Fighter. You know, we play a little bit of indie games. You know, something like, you know, the game we just played earlier, the Duck game. We played, it was a disc game that we played like a couple weeks back, but it was also a competitive game.
If you're interested in learning more about gaming and coding, contact us at CYDIReady.org.